Yeah, I think they are. Okay. There we go. And you're looking.
Check out the mangoes, guys.
What's the story about
Fantastic. There you go.
These mangoes here.
I'm loving that.
They're actually perfectly ripe.
Hopefully I don't see my shadow. Yeah, I do. Excuse me.
It's mango season. These are just like bigger mangoes.
Why is that? You can take
well, when you compare them in size, this one's a little bit larger.
Wow. Why is
So,
I mean, is this how we
leave them on the tree for a little bit.
Really?
So they get bigger.
Why is this one more red than the other? Two for
You know, it's
Those are the apple bananas.
makes sense. And that is the miniature. It's a very good price. But it's actually called sunshine.
I gotta go to
Emo. What these?
How about these?
These are very ripe.
Very right. It is the season for it. It is the season.
Okay, and scoosh down everybody a little bit so I have better sun on your faces. I know it seems weird. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're like little miniature people now.
Check out this little guy here. These are apple bananas, guys. They don't taste like apples. Yeah, they do.
I like the number. They have it like they're kind of like sweet.
That's right.
And then you want to.
It's another kind of mango. How much is it? Try that?
Yeah. And tilt your hat back just a little bit, hun. Thank you. I know, that's okay.
Avocados here. Good thing you booked this tour so you could learn.
I know. I've never even heard
They
of
actually grow a lot of avocados here on the island.
J-Well, there you go. J-Well.
Juicy J sounds like something.
Sounds like our porn name.
Daniel, scoosh down a little bit so I can. Yeah, you're a midget. No, just kind of leaning in.
Hey guys, so these are mangoes.